Are you suffering from an incessant ringing in your ears? Is it driving you crazy? You'll never get rid of that painful ringing until you pinpoint the cause of that unwelcome noise, because you see, tinnitus, that's what we call this incessant buzzing, is a symptom, not a disease. For example, it can be caused by many things. It might be cochlea damage. That's the part of the ear that converts sound into nerve signals that the brain can interpret. Or it could be the result of many years of exposure to loud noises or music. It could be caused by earwax buildup or atherosclerosis causing damage to blood vessels, age-related hearing loss, or stress and anxiety. And who doesn't have more than enough of that? Certain medications can be a cause, and high blood pressure may also be a contributor to ringing in the ears. Unfortunately, drug and alcohol abuse may also play a part. The first thing that you should do is get a proper diagnosis from a trusted healthcare professional. Let's take the example of itchy skin. It is also a symptom of an underlying cause rather than a disease. It might be caused by poison ivy or chickenpox, or an allergy to some substance that you would have to figure out before you could avoid it. Or maybe it's just dry skin. A dermatologist can make the correct diagnosis and then select the proper treatment. In the same way, there are numerous potential causes of tinnitus, and no one treatment can possibly treat them all. Is it possible to treat tinnitus? Yes. But is it easy? No. So what can you do? When setting out to rid yourself of that dreadful ringing in your ears once and for all, you must learn about it. Educate yourself about tinnitus and the various causes and treatments. I'd like to give you an absolutely free report on tinnitus that you can get by simply filling out the form on the right with your email address so that I'll know where to send it. The more you understand what you are up against, the better equipped you will be to eliminate it from your life quickly, effectively, and painlessly. In this free report, I will show you that there are two main routes that you can take to cure yourself of tinnitus, and the road you choose may well depend upon the cause of your tinnitus. The two roads in question are conventional Western medical treatment and more natural holistic approaches. But there are things that you can do in the meantime before you decide what treatment is best for you. I will actually give you 7 ways of dealing with this condition, but there is one thing you can get started with right away. The report will cover various ways you can use to mask the unbearable sounds so they don't bother you as much. Masking is a quick fix, and when you are dealing with a condition that many times renders its victims unable to even think clearly, it often needs to be done before any other permanent treatment is sought. Request your free report now. Simply fill in your email